first drill is train tracks. In this drill, players make 2 lines either side of the court and they must be even. The player without the ball runs out and receives a chest pass from the player with the ball and stops. She then passes to the player behind and the player who just threw the ball runs through. This is continued over and over and over. This first drill is not a complicated drill, however has the primary purpose of warming up the players' hands for the drills to come. It is a great drill for the start of the session, however would not be recommended further into this session as it would have limited purpose or effect for the players. Watch as these players complete the drill. As a progression, lob passes start to be thrown. As the next progression comes, it's time for bounce passes. The third and final progression is to leave it up to the players whether they'll pass a chest pass, a lob pass or a bounce pass. This livens up their hands and gets the players moving.